Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve this very interesting problem in which we have to find the value of x. We are given x raised to power x minus 2 raised to power 3x plus 192 is equal to 0. We can bring this term to the right hand side. We get x raised to power x equals to 2 raised to power 3x plus 192. We can take 3 common from this term. We get x raised to power x equals to 3 bracket x plus 64. We can write right hand side as 2 raised to power 3 bracket x plus 64, and on solving right hand side we get 8 raised to power x plus 64. It can be written as 8 raised to power x times 8 raised to power 64. Divide the whole equation by 8 raised to power x. We get x raised to power x over 8 raised to power x on left hand side, and on right hand side we get 8 raised to power x over 8 raised to power x times 8 raised to power 64. They will get cancelled out and we get 8 over x whole raised to power x equals to 8 raised to power 64. The right hand side can be written as 64 over 8 whole raised to power 64, and on comparing the left hand side with the right hand side we get x equals to 64. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next.